I'm going to try to get someone to agree to let me hold a piece of jewelry that's above 1,000,000 RMB. Usually they don't give this to people who are, shooting blogs, right? They want serious prospectors. But I just want to touch one.你们最贵的绿宝石或者红宝石是哪一个？
最贵，但是也要看吧。像这些呢，也会贵一点，这种套量。
哪一个更贵？
更贵。这两个价值都差不多。
多少？Oh, she's taking it out. Oh, then she got distracted. I'm gonna get my hand on one. 能看一下你们最贵的吗？ Okay, she's like, I gotta wait because there's customers. So obviously I'm not a customer. I just want to shoot a video. So they don't have too much time for you if they know you're not buying. But so far she's been kind of nice. So they're saying a lot of these emerald stones are from Zambia. 能看一下你们最贵的首饰吗？
最贵的，突然分不清哪个最贵了。这种套链就贵一点嘛。
最贵的是哪一个？你们知道吗？
没有去算啊，没有去对比。这个100多。
可以看一下吗？
看一下，这样拍吧。
不能拿出来吗？
可以。
我跑得很慢。Okay, so she's agreed to let me see it, and so I'm gonna place it here. I'm gonna get my hands on it. Okay, 这是哪里的红宝石？
莫桑比克。
Oh, so this is from Mozambique. Okay, and it's set in diamond. Holy thing, this thing's like, oh my god, I'm going blind right now. How sparkly this thing is. 这是几克拉的？6.14 carats. This stone alone, and the price. 这个是卖多少钱？
六坠是68万多，一整个套链是1.05 million
RMB. Okay, and that's about, I don't know, 170, 180,000. I'm not sure. My math is not working very well at the moment, but this thing is beautiful and it's pretty heavy as I'm holding it. Okay, 谢谢你. Okay, accomplished. I got to touch it. Thank you.